We got our lane cable frontal raise. We're getting a mat chucking on the ground. You don't have to, but it'll be a bit comfier. We're anchoring the cable all the way at the bottom. We're gonna lie back, make sure that we're lying far enough away that the cable's under tension when we're doing this. And we're simply just gonna do a frontal raise from here. So driving up over the head. We don't need to come all the way back here. Obviously the cable's resting on my face. If we're going too hard, we're not really gonna actually have tension on the muscles we're trying to target here. So just get to about here. Nice and slow on the way down. Really focus on the eccentrics in this movement. So as we're letting the muscles stretch out back on the way down. Nice and slow. Now as you're doing this, think about pushing your hands as far away from your body the entire time, yeah? So I'm actually really trying to push my hands into this arcing motion rather than if I was just kind of keeping it close. And you can see I'm kind of butchering the movement here. I'm gonna push my hands as far away from my body as possible, and I'm gonna get way more